Macroinvertebrates are invertebrates that can be captured by a net or sieve. There are various types of macroinvertebrates such as insects, mites, scuds, and crayfish. Macroinvertebrates are good bioindicators that determine the quality of water. Macroinvertebrates are affected by the physical, chemical, and biological conditions of a stream. These aquatic invertebrates cannot escape pollution, so different types of macroinvertebrates can tolerate different amounts of pollution. We can then sample these invertebrates to obtain a better understanding of a stream's health.
So we're going to do some macroinvertebrate sampling here with our D-net. And what we're going to do is we're going to push the net in the water and then kick the rocks. And by kicking the rocks, we're moving the soil or the bottom of the creek into our net, which our macroinvertebrates are at. And as you see, we're working upstream. When we work upstream, we're not tampering with our possible catches.
The macroinvertebrates that were captured by the D-net were then placed into ice cube trays with water. Some of the macroinvertebrates that were found in this stream were a crayfish, a dragonfly nymph, a midge larva, a mayfly nymph, a caddisfly larva, and a hellgrammite. It is known that stoneflies, mayflies, and caddisfly larvae cannot survive in highly polluted waters, so we can conclude by our findings that this is a healthy and non-polluted waterway. We also want to mention that all of our found species were safely released back into their natural habitat that they were found in. This stream makes its way to the Chesapeake Bay. By this stream being cleaned, it lessens the chances of the Chesapeake Bay becoming polluted. A stream that is full of pollution would have macroinvertebrates such as blackfly larvae, midgefly larvae, and lug snails. These macroinvertebrates have a high tolerance to pollution and can survive in these toxic waters. Sometimes a waterway may lack a variety of macroinvertebrate species, but that does not mean that this water is unsafe for these creatures. That is why tests like pH, dissolved oxygen, and alkalinity are taken and observed to assess the stream.